Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be walking through an easy step-by-step guide on how to create payment link in Revolut. So if you want to create a payment link in Revolut, here's a simple requirement for that, but make sure you watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistake. So the first thing to do is open the Revolut app on your phone and make sure you log in into your account. On the home screen, tap the transfer tab or the payment icon, then tap request at the bottom of the screen. Then make sure you select payment link or request via link. Then enter the amount you want to request. Then you can also add a note or description so the person knows what the payment is for. So tap create link, then Revolut will generate a secure payment link for you. Then tap the share link and choose how you want to send it. You can send via WhatsApp, email, SMS, or can also copy and paste it anywhere you want. Then the recipient can open the link and pay you directly using Revolut or a card, and that's how you can easily create a payment link in Revolut. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.